Kaya kailangan sadyain nyo, ini-encourage ko sadyain nyo. Ako na-realize ko, tol, kapag hindi mo sinadya yung mga kailangan mong gawing paghihirap sa life mo para mag-improve, later on mo kailangan maghirap tapos hindi mo siya sasadyain. Yung buhay yung sasadya sa'yo nung hirap. So kailangan...
Unahan mo na.
Unahan mo. Ngayon, pag sinadya mong nahihirapan ka ngayon, pero
Hindi ka
nag-improve
napapahirapan ng buhay.
Hindi ka papahirapan ng buhay. Pero pag ngayon, iwas ka na iwas.
Sa hirap!
Yung sinasabi ni Frank dito is yung principle ng pain and pleasure balance. Remember this, balance is the first rule of the universe. Pag nawala ang balance, everything collapses. Sa buhay, merong positive at negative pain. At merong positive at negative pleasure. And here's the rule, kahit alin ang piliin mo, darating yung kapartner niya. Parang yin and yang. Example, negative pleasure. Complaining, blaming, gossiping, pagiging tamad. Aminin natin, masarap yan gawin. Feeling mo okay lang, walang consequences. Pero whether you like it or not, the universe will always balance it. So that negative pleasure, babawi yan ng pain. Bad situations, stress, anxiety, or paulit-ulit na malas. Hindi para parusahan ka, but simply to restore balance. Now, on the other side, may positive pain. Ito yung sinasabi ni Frank, na pahirapan mo muna yung sarili mo. Meditation,
I meditate every day.
exercise, proper nutrition, learning new skills. Masakit sa simula, mahirap, walang instant reward. Pero once you choose positive pain, guess what? The universe is forced to balance it with pleasure. Success, growth, confidence, recognition, and opportunities you didn't even expect. Moral lesson, you don't escape pain. You just choose which pain pays you back. So ask yourself, ano ang pipiliin ko today? Yung masarap ngayon, pero masakit later on, o yung masakit ngayon, pero masarap habang buhay? If you want content like this, follow for more tips.